See, last class we have seen that two phyla, which are there first? Porifera, commonly we call sponges. Coelentrates, other name? Cnidarians. Which one have tentacles? Cnidarians, right? Now the next phylum, that is C silent, Ctenophora. क्या है? Repeat. Commonly known as sea walnuts or comb jellies. Sea walnuts or which one? Commonly known as? Here which word is mentioned? Meaning of this? All members are living in marine. So habitat exclusively marine. ऐसे हम 3 या 4 फाइला लर्न करेंगे जिसमें exclusively marine लिखा है. So first is a which one? Ctenophores, right? Next, symmetry of this one is a which one? Radial symmetry. Right? Which symmetry? Radial symmetry. Meaning of radial symmetry? Cut. बोलिए जयराज. A plane, by any plane of axis, organism divided into two equal parts. Next, level of organization, tissue level of organization with meaning presence of and between them mesoglea. Clear? Next one, unique features over here. So unique features में first है that 8 number first given, that is which one? 8 external rows of ciliated comb plates. क्या है? Ciliated comb plates. Can you make out over here this green color structure? These are the 8 that are present on outside the body, not inside. That's why the name given external. 8 external rows of ciliated comb plates. These are known as what? Comb plates. और उसके ऊपर क्या है? Cilia, right? Comb plates, and these are known as with the which one? Cilia. Cilia है, so this structure helps in locomotion. So help in which given? Locomotion. With the help of this comb plate, ciliated comb plates, this organism shows movement, right? Locomotion. तो ये कौन से होंगे? Free swimming form में होंगे या sessile? Which one? Free swimming, right? Because they have what? This locomotory structure. Now next one, very interesting phenomenon. They have what? They can show that's the bioluminescence property. You know bioluminescence? Light emit करना, right? In their cells, a particular that's a chemical is there, and that chemical when reacts with the oxygen, then it emits the light with the help of one of the enzyme. Luciferin करके एक chemical होता है, luciferase enzyme होता है, right? So this enzyme, chemical and oxygen, when they react with each other together, then they emit what? Light, right? Different colors light emit. So the property of living organism to emit light we call bioluminescence, right? वो सुना होगा ना जुगनू, कैसे नाइट में पूरा कलर, same thing. This organisms, right? That emit what? Light. Okay. Next, digestion is of which type? Extracellular and intracellular. Extracellular meaning food remain outside the cell and on which enzymes. Intracellular meaning food taken inside the cell and then digested. Clear? Poriferans में क्या था? In case of cnidarians, here also both extra and intracellular. Next, reproduction. Reproduction, in that they are dioecious. Dioecious meaning unisexual. I have given that clue, right? DIU याद रखना है. Dioecious क्या होंगे? Unisexual. Next, it takes place now. That reproduction takes place only by meaning of this line. Asexual reproduction is absent. और कहीं पे था asexual reproduction? Poriferas. Porifera में क्या निडेरिया के मेंबर्स में होंगे? You know Hydra, क्या होता है बडिंग इन हाइड्रा, दैट्स अ विच वन, बडिंग, यस और नो. सो पॉरीफेरेंस में भी होता है सेक्सुअल, निडेरियंस में भी है, बट हियर नाउ दैट्स अ विच वन, ओनली सेक्सुअल. Fertilization is meaning of gametes released outside the body and in water they fuse with each other. With and what kind of development? Meaning of indirect larval stage is present, right? Here eggs, fertilized eggs, from that the larva is formed and larva में further modification होके क्या बनेगा? Adult, right? Examples are only two here. That's a pleurobrachia. Repeat. And second, Tinoplana. या टीनोफोरा फाइलम का नेम है, टीनोप्लेना एग्जाम्पल है. क्लियर? टीनोफोरा इज अ नेम, it's the name of and Tinoplana example, right? Tinoplana and other is a which one? Pleurobrachia. Other is a which one? Repeat. 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 Clear है? Sure. So one thing, examples, Pleurobrachia and the Tinoplana. Understood this? Anyone have a doubt in this part? So Tinophores commonly known as what? Sea walnuts बोलते हैं, उसके shape के according, or as the which one? Comb jellies. Now they are exclusively, they have which symmetry or level of organization and unique feature, they have 8 external rows of comb plates, ciliated comb plates. Helps in second unique feature, bioluminescence. They can emit light. Digestion is of which type? Extracellular, intracellular. Reproduction, unisexual? Unisexual, मेरा yes. Dioecious? Yes. Reproduction by asexual? Only by fertilization with indirect. And examples? Repeat. See, in your book given the example, the diagram for which example? Pleurobrachia. Which one? Pleurobrachia. See that over here, once they emit the light, they look like this. Blue, red color दिखाई दे रहे हैं आपको, right? These are their comb plates. Can you make out this over here? Same ये blue color में दिखाई दे रहे हैं, right? Now the next one. See, one more over here. ये उसके tentacles होते हैं. They also have what? Tentacles, but not mentioned in your book. Diagram में just दिया है. Can you make out? ये long process है, वो tentacles. And ये 8 rows of क्या है? Ciliated comb plates. Clear this thing? Sure? ये छोटा सा ही phylum है हमारा. Over here we have completed phylum Ctenophora. Understood this? Garg? Stop. बोलो.